What's up guys, and OMG, Xiaomi's 10th year anniversary beast has arrived and it has taken the Ultra name to a whole new level. It's got some really insane features that we have not seen on any phone out there right now, but what's even more insane is the world's first transparent TV. Yes, Xiaomi has announced a smart TV that has a full-on transparent display, and not only is it transparent but it's also coming at 120Hz refresh rate. It's costing a whopping $7,200. Of course, it's a one-of-a-kind product, so it's definitely gonna cost a lot right now, but so insane that Xiaomi has done this on its 10th anniversary special event. So let's talk about the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Ultra. We actually got its leaked unboxing video as well, which came out a couple of hours ago from someone who was under embargo, but they decided to break it and release this video. If you talk about the design of the phone, it's rocking a punch hole system. We first heard that it could have an under-display camera, but it turns out to have a punch hole setup. It's still a really bright 120Hz display, but the crazy thing about this phone is on its back. We've got a really insane camera setup that currently has broken the record of DxOMark. Yes, the Mi 10 Ultra scored the highest on the DxOMark. They released this just a couple of hours ago. It's rocking a 48 megapixel custom sensor that Xiaomi has manufactured. It's rocking 8P lens as well as dual native ISO technology. This is probably the biggest sensor we have on a smartphone right now. Next to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, it looks absolutely massive. It's also capable of producing images at 100 megapixel resolution if you want that, but natively you'll be able to take photos at 48 megapixel resolution. There's also a special 12 megapixel portrait lens with 2x optical zoom, which is actually the best zoom level to take the portrait shots, similar to how we see on the iPhones. But then there is a special big periscope camera setup on the top side. It looks really massive and is coming with a 120x ultra zoom. According to this one example that Xiaomi has placed, it's actually looking pretty dope. According to this example that Xiaomi has showed, at a 120x level, it actually looks really good, far in detail compared to the 100x zoom that we have seen on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. It seems like it's doing a lot from the camera rather than depending on the software, which is why we have a fairly less noise. Again, I'd love to see the reviews and how it's going to perform in the real life situation. Now there is the ultra wide angle lens as well, coming at 20 megapixel resolution. It can also be used for the macro shots. There's also a laser autofocus for that fast video autofocus performance. I have to say the 120x zoom is really great, but what's even more exciting is that this phone is the first smartphone in the world to support 120 watt of wired fast charging. Yes, the fast charger out of the box can support up to 120 watt of fast charging signal. This phone can charge from 0 to 100% in just 23 minutes. It can charge from 0 to 41% in just 5 minutes. We're talking about a 4500 mAh battery. It absolutely sounds insane to me that they pulled it off. Like, this phone's battery charging speed just puts everything to shame. Not only that, it also supports 50 watt of wireless fast charging, and that also is a very insane level. Like, you can get from 0 to 100% in just 40 minutes. It's rocking a Snapdragon 865 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, DDR5, UFS 3.1 storage. Like, absolutely on top of the line specs are here for this phone. Now everything you have heard is looking really exciting, and you may be thinking that this phone might be a $1,200 or a $1,400 phone, but no. According to iOS Universe, this phone is costing only $760. Like, that to me is absolutely mind-blowing. Xiaomi has proved to the world that they are a really strong player when it comes to the smartphone game. They have established themselves in both flagship and mid-range / budget market. So do let me know your thoughts on the Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. Definitely a device that is very shocking. 120 watt fast charging, 50 watt wireless charging, 120x zoom. There's also a Redmi K30 Ultra smartphone announced, which has really good specs as well, coming at 120Hz OLED display. I think it's the first smartphone to rock the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus SoC. It's got some really good specs as well, but yeah, the highlight of this event is definitely the Mi 10 Ultra, and along with that, the world's first transparent smart TV. As always, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.